फोर व्हीलर उधर ले जाते है ना, एक बाहर लोग तो बैठ के जाते हैं
चलिए ऊपर चलिए।
हमारे जो गेस्ट हाउस है जहाँ रह रहे हैं उस एरिया में
गाड़ी में लोग बैठे हैं।
Hello.
Last year also we had so we're making this an annual event.
I appreciate the opportunity to be here. This is my first trip to India.
Okay. You belong to which place?
I'm sorry?
You belong to which place?
United States, Chicago.
Chicago.
And cameras and sensors so that
Yes.
there's a security component to it. There has to be, because if you can call a car on your phone and have it come and get you, or send a car someplace remotely, you want to have a good idea about that person for many security reasons. But the idea is to eliminate or reduce accidents, crashes. Make it simple.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. I, Shreya Joshi, feel honored to be your host here at Indore city of Madhya Pradesh and welcome you all in the second international conference on paradigm shift in innovative business management organized by Wishes Institute of Professional Studies and Research. This conference aims at exploring key developments in the field of finance, marketing, human resource, IT innovations and so on. This conference offers an opportunity for researchers to present their ideas, engage with experts, explore future research and showcase their work in front of intellectuals. It gives me a great pleasure to extend a warm welcome on behalf of entire Vishisht family to Chief Guest Mr. Vipin Maheshwari, Inspector General of Police Indore, eminent keynote speaker Mr. Guy C. Fracker, Get to Know Incorporation, and Chief Knowledge Officer of Autonomous Staff USA, Conference Chair Mr. Naveen Naram, Managing Director Webstar, Conference Secretary Dr. S.M. Anas Iqbal, Academic Director Webstar, Conference Mentor Abrar Khan, Assistant Director Webstar, the delegates and the entire August audience. I once again give you a hearty welcome for the second international conference on paradigm shift in innovative business management. The 21st century is the daunting century, full of challenges and possibilities. As the world rapidly changes, business and management professionals should be able to not only manage change, but themselves be the change. Old ways of doing things are not proving to be effective. We have to evolve new forms of management and supervision that are appropriate to the transformation happening all around us. The few paradigm shifts that we need in order to arrive at a new age of global prosperity and competition to networking and mechanical view to organized view. Business managers and professionals must now work with mechanistic approach to organizational management. This kind of paradigm treats the whole setup like a giant clockwork. In these times of changes, the best attitude is to welcome change with open arms and be willing to be the change ourselves. In order to remove darkness, light is essential. In the days of Florence Nightingale, the flame of candle was used to light her way as she made her rounds to the sick and injured. The bright flame today has come to symbolize knowledge, experience and hope. So, I request all the guests on the dais to please start the day with the lamp lighting. That the ray of beauty outvalues all the utilities of the world. So, I request our conference coordinator, Mr. Robin Neema, to present a bouquet to our honorable chief guest, Mr. Vipin Maheshwari. Professor Ashish Mehta to give flower welcome to our esteemed keynote speaker, Mr. Guy C. Fracker. Thank you, sir. Flowers whisper beauty to the world even when they fade, wilt and fall. I request Professor Sanjay Maheshwari to present bunch of flowers to our chivalrous guest of honor, Mr. Abrar Khan. Thank you, sir. Bread feeds the body in wealth, but flower feeds also the soul. I request Professor Shikhar Upadhyay. Thank you, sir. I'm Anna Segbar, Academic Director, Website.
Staff Secretary, Chief Knowledge Officer, Autonomous District, USA. Mr. Naveen Anand, Conference Chair. Mr. Rahan, Conference Mentor. Eminent speakers, delegates, researchers, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. A very pleasant good morning all of you. At this precious moment, let us first express our thanks to merciful God who has granted us with blessing and grace that we could gather here today to attend this second international conference on paradigm shift in innovative business management. I extend my sincere greetings and welcome to our distinguished speakers and participants, particularly those from abroad. My heartfelt welcome to our institute. As a conference secretary and on behalf of organizing committee, I am delighted to welcome delegates from all over the country to this conference. My special thanks to my Guru Bhai, Mr. Vipin Maheshwari, to accept our invitation to be here. As I mentioned him as a Guru Bhai because his father, Professor R.P. Maheshwari, taught me corporate finance, and it is his blessing and guidance today I am here. I also extend very special thanks to Mr. Gaya Sifrekar for taking so much pain in his so long journey from US to deliver keynote address in this inaugural session. As he was so tense and distressed in last week, his daughter-in-law was admitted and finally he became grandfather of a beautiful angel. And on behalf of whole organizing committee, even on behalf of all the delegates of the conference, congratulations. The ambition of this conference is to bring together academic and industrial researchers with shared interest in innovation in business management. Your responses to the second conference are again amazing. A total of 316 abstracts for oral and animated poster presentation was submitted. We accepted only 200 papers for this conference. The organizers are going to release an edited book of first 142 accepted and registered paper, and remaining will be published soon in the formal book, hopefully in the month of January 2014. This conference, however, will not be just another talk show. By the end of this event, we intended to formulate a set of recommendations to be known as the conference declaration. This declaration, to be crafted based on the discussion during the conference, will focus on the recommendations on key aspects of research integrity. Development to exchange of views and information will continue over the entire duration of the conference. Today, we have with us some very distinguished academicians and researchers. I extend warm welcome Dr. Kailash Kadu from Nagpur. He is a former Senate member of Nagpur University and presently Director of Central Institute of Business Management Research and Development. Dr. Viswanathan Gopalan is the ex-professor of Symbiosis Pune. Dr. Bala Subramania from University of Madras. Dr. Nandini Sen from University of Delhi. Dr. Ramanujan, Chairman Department of Economics, Bangalore University. Dr. Ashish Pandya of SBP College of Commerce, Surat. It is very tough to me to mention each and every name from this. With a great number of participants, we are sure that this conference will be a memorable, highly educational, and not to be missed event. Finally, I wish all the participants a productive discussion throughout the conference and an enjoyable stay in our crowded but beautiful city of Indore. We hope you find this conference both interesting and stimulating, and that you enjoy meeting up with old friends and making new contacts. We look forward to receiving your feedback on this conference and to seeing you again at the next one in 2014. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Books constitute capital. They are the testimonials of our intellectual treasure. A library book lasts as long as a house, for hundreds of years. It is not then an article of mere consumption, but fairly of capital. And often in the case of professional men, setting out in life, it is their only capital. So, it's a time to reflect the literary achievements of Vishish family. I'm pleased to welcome you all today in the releasing ceremony of Souvenir, which is a collection of abstract and details related to conference. I request the intellectuals present on the dais and the editor of Souvenir, Professor Pariti Mangal Jain, to join us for the releasing ceremony. Taking forward this releasing ceremony, magazine, collection of student and faculty thoughts